In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Wise to your bank account. So to do this, just go to open up Wise, and from the home screen, you want to click on Send. Then you will need to click on Add a recipient, and here select the currency that your bank account is in. So for me it's Euro, and from there gonna select Bank Details. Now, if it's your bank account, just select myself. If it's someone else's, select someone else. And if it's a business or charity, select business or charity. For me, it's myself, so I'll select that. And then from there, enter the full name of the account holder, which should then be your name, as well as the IBAN that you want to send to. Now, this is for if it's inside of Europe. If it's outside, then just click outside Europe or wherever you are from. But just enter the details and then click continue. And then from there, go and choose how much you would like to transfer. And then here you have the overview. Now just click continue. And now from here at the bottom of the screen, go and click on confirm and send. Then you will need to enter your password to approve this transfer. And after doing that, you will then see all done, your money is on its way to you, and you have now sent that money to your bank account. So now you know how to transfer money from Wise to your bank account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.